today I did this rainy day makeup look because I was inspired because when I woke up this morning it was raining and I love the rain. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to take some of this blue from the Ben Nye Rainbow Wheel and put it in my eyebrow. Now I'm going to prime my eyelids with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Conceal. I put way too much on. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and set the concealer. Now I'm going to take this colour here and use this as the transition shade. Don't be afraid to bring this colour up. Now I'm going to take some of that Ben Nye Cream Blue from the Rainbow Wheel on the fluffy brush and put this in the crease. Take a little bit more of the blue and put this all over the eyelid. Now we're going to take the e.l.f. concealer again and start making the clouds. Now I'm going to take the Ben Nye white clown paint and I'm going to define the clouds a bit more. And then I'm going to go ahead and set the clouds. Then I'm going to go under the eye with the white to create some more clouds. Then I'm also going to go on my eyelashes with some more white. I just changed the lighting so it's more accurate. So I'm now going to take some of the white and put that through the eyebrow as well, just to add some dimension. Okay, so we've finished with the eyes for now, and I'm going to just be putting on some foundation now. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just sort of winging this look because I was inspired because when I woke up it was raining, so we'll see how this goes. So far it's going pretty good. Now I'm going to take a bit of concealer. I'm going to try and not cover up what I've already done, obviously. I'm just putting this wherever I feel like I need a bit of extra coverage. Okay, so now I'm just going to be doing like the normal blush, bronzer and highlight before we do the rest of like the rain and some more clouds and stuff. Okay, so I think I've decided that I'm going to do like a sky across like this. There's so many trucks today. Why? So I'm going to take more of the blue and this blending brush and just like stipple it on because I don't want it to be all the same color. We want like different tones. Now I'm going to take this transition shade that we used and add some of that. And now I'm going to be taking this Chi Chi single eyeshadow in Bad Romance, which is a super like dark blue, and adding some of that as well. Now I'm just going to add a few more clouds. Now I'm just going to go back in with the royal blue and create like the raindrops, I guess. Now I'm going to take my MAC lip liner in Stone and create the shape of the umbrella. Okay, then I'm just going to fill the top lip in with this lipstick in Bronx. Now I'm just going to draw like the little handle. Okay, now I'm also going to put like the indents of the umbrella. And then I'm also going to put some highlights. Okay, so I just added a bit of coconut oil in my hair and also on my face just to make me look like I've been in the rain. So yeah, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!